Halo Investing app. The pros, the cons. Halo Investing is designed to make investing simple for beginners, but does it live up to the hype? Starting with the pros first, ease of use. Halo's clean interface makes account setup, portfolio selection, and tracking intuitive for new investors. Second, low entry point. You can start investing with small amounts, making it accessible to almost anyone. Third, automation. Halo automatically invests according to your risk profile and rebalances portfolios to keep your strategy on track. Now, the cons. Limited customization. Experienced investors may feel restricted since you can't select individual stocks or tailor investments beyond preset portfolios. Another drawback: fees. While generally competitive, management fees can eat into returns over time if you're investing larger amounts. The surprising truth? Halo works best for hands-off investors or those just starting out, but active traders may find it too basic. In short, the pros: simplicity, low entry, and automated investing make Halo ideal for beginners. The cons: limited control and fees mean it's not the platform for advanced or high-volume traders.